you're going to spend anywhere between $3,000 and $5,000. We actually have a finished third floor. I would be shocked if you're spending over $600, $700, $800. You could be bringing in $1,470 a month off of an $80,000 investment. With the way technology is today, you no longer have to actually live in the same market that you want to invest in. If you're living in a high-end market but still want to make money off of these cash flow markets we have out here in the Midwest, I am here to help you. My name's James Wise. I'm with HoltonWise, and today I've got 2 cash flow producing properties for you. Let's dive in. One 13703 South Park Ave, Garfield Heights. I love the city of Garfield Heights for real estate investors. It's just a solid blue-collar area. This house, no different. This is a big old 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom home. A private investor, an investor who's doing the management himself. He wants to exit the business. He came to us with this property. His tenant just moved out. We just got the city point of sale inspection back, and this property is ready for a new owner. We got to put a little bit of elbow grease into this property, let this thing shine. Now, the city did their POS report, and they just notated some minor things from the outside of the house. You know, just little stuff. You know, they want you to re-secure the siding, replace the front porch handrail, do a little bit of tuck pointing, clean the siding, side screen door. You know, you see some peeling paint on that porch. Just minor stuff. I'm anticipating you're going to spend anywhere between $2,000 and $3,000 outside of the home clearing up the city point of sale inspection. As for the inside of the house, you know, if you see, we still got a bunch of debris and a lot of stuff around the home. So HoltonWise, you know, we got to go in there. We got to clean that up. You know, I am not feeling this paint color for tenants. This is like some orange, ugly, like I don't even know what year this was in style, but like I'm not feeling it. So what we got to go in, we got to repaint this entire house. I would like to go with an Agreeable gray. That is the most popular color in the country right now. This carpet, you know, from the video, it looks, you know, okay, but I think we should spruce it up, really attract high-quality tenants, and then a couple other knick-knack things inside the home to really make this thing shine. I would anticipate you're going to spend anywhere between $3,000 and $5,000 getting this property rent-ready on the inside. So we got $3,000 to $5,000 on the inside, $2,000 to $3,000 on the outside. So we have anywhere between $5,000 and $8,000 all in on those renovations, and you've got yourself a cash flow asset. You're going to be able to rent this to a nice group of tenants. You're going to be able to get the higher quality tenants in the market when we put out a property that is so fresh, so clean, so nice. Getting $1,000 a month will be no problem. I do not anticipate it taking any more than 30 days on the market to get tenants into this property paying $1,000 a month. Truly a solid cash flow opportunity. You can't get this in other markets, guys. That's why the Cleveland market, that's why the Midwest, that's why you're watching this from California, New York, Oregon. You're watching this show because you can't buy cash flow like this in other markets. We're going to go to a quick commercial break, and then I'm going to show you my second property of the day, which is going to make even more money than this property. Stay tuned.
If you would like HoltonWise to sell a property you already own in a video just like this one, send an email to sales@holtonwise.com.
Welcome back. I'm glad you're still with me. Believe it or not, some people, they don't watch the entire video. You know, I look at the YouTube statistics, and some people, they click off halfway through the video. So those people, they are missing out because this property is by far the bigger cash cow of today's video. 4265 West 36, Cleveland, Ohio. This is right in the heart of the Old Brooklyn neighborhood. I love Old Brooklyn. We just have a very dense group of holdings in the Old Brooklyn area. You know, we're very familiar with this neighborhood. It's right down the street from our office. It's right in the same neighborhood as some of our larger investments. And this property, this is one of the nicer duplexes I've ever pumped out. Now, I got this thing priced at $79,900. I guarantee you, okay, I guarantee you, if you try to come in at $79,899, your offer will be denied. I fully anticipate that this property is going to sell within the same day that this video has launched at or above list price. Now, if you've been following this channel, following my content for any amount of time, you know that I get a ton of these duplexes in the Old Brooklyn area. Typically, we're seeing rents $650 to $700 a unit, and I'm selling them for $75,000, maybe $80,000. This one is a little bit different. The big takeaway that we have here is we actually have a finished third floor. So, you know, all these units, they're pretty much the same. We got 2 beds, 1 bath. They rent for between $650 and $700. You know, that's exactly what we have here with the down unit. It's rented. You know, we got a tenant paying $650. You know, at turnover, wouldn't be a problem to bump that guy up $675, right? But the upstairs, the current owner has actually went ahead and finished the upstairs. So the upstairs unit is actually a 3-bed, 2-bath. And this thing is basically rent ready. Now, my HoltonWise, you know, my crew, my team, my maintenance guys, they have not actually physically gone through and done the rent ready, you know, the make ready safety check. You know, so we're going to want to do that before we actually advertise the unit for rent. And I'm sure my team may find a couple little knickknacks. So if it's a property that my team isn't already in control of, we're not already managing it, I don't want to tell you it's 100% move-in ready, rent ready. You know, you're probably going to spend a little bit of money just buttoning up a little bit of stuff because, you know, we have a minimum standard, you know, that we have for every unit before we put it on the market. So it's probably very, very minimal. I would be shocked if you're spending over $600, $700, $800 with what my team finds. So more or less, the only thing you got to put down is your down payment and then some very, very minor money just for my team to get in there and make sure everything's good. And then you're going to be able to rent that upstairs unit for $795. $795 upstairs, and being conservative, we got a market rent of $675 downstairs. So you have a chance to get a rental property on a 30-year loan with only 25% down, you know, fully turnkey, fully leveraging your funds as much as possible. You could be bringing in $1,470 a month off of an $80,000 investment. I cannot stress enough, it's not a sales tactic. I'm not just saying like, oh, don't give me lowball offers. I don't need to do that. Again, if you've been watching this content, you know I pound these deals out like that. These things fly off my shelves. So, you know, it's really just a time thing when I tell you do not submit any offers that are not list or above list. You're wasting your time, you're wasting my time. I don't have time to worry about that. I fully anticipate to have at least 10 offers at or above list price the day that this video launches. So if you want to get your money in, if you want to make money investing in real estate, this property right here, you need to be ready, be aggressive, have your proof of funds or have your pre-approval letter ready. If you need lenders, I have lenders. They'll write loans, guys just like you, all 50 states. Shoot me an email. James, man, hook me up with your list of lenders. I need to get pre-approved so I can get my money in the game. I will send my lenders to you. I don't think if that's you, if you don't already have a lender or you don't already have cash, something like that, I don't think you're going to be fast enough to take this deal down, but make sure you smash that subscribe button, and in the show notes below, make sure you're subscribed to my mailing list. I send videos out like this every single day. If you're not quick enough to get your money in the ring this time for this particular property, you'll be prepared, you'll be ready for the next property. So like I said, you know, we got this duplex right here. We got that pretty awesome single family at the beginning of the show. Single families are nice because you have a lot less tenant turnover. You know, during your course of ownership, they're a little bit smoother. You don't have neighbors fighting each other. And then when you actually go to exit, you have a wider pool of potential buyers because you also have owner-occupied buyers and investor buyers. So whichever property you want to buy, one, both, one or the other, doesn't matter to me. Either way, send me an email, jameswise@holtonwise.com. I'll be ready to field your offers. As always, I'm James Wise with HoltonWise, and this is Real Estate Investing Made Easy.
Cleveland, Ohio is widely considered to be one of the top rental markets in the entire United States. This is because here in Cleveland, our housing prices are low and our rental prices and demand are high. At HoltonWise, we provide the complete turnkey solution for all real estate investors, whether they are local, out of state, or even abroad. As real estate brokers, we will provide you with agent representation to help you buy properties ranging from single-family homes to large apartment complexes. We even have referrals for lenders who can provide investment property loans to investors located in all 50 states, allowing you to capitalize on the use of leverage or other people's money. We have referrals to top-notch title companies so you know that all of your transactions are safe and secure, with every single property being delivered to you with clear title. Once you close on the property, we have an investor-focused insurance brokerage who can handle all your property insurance needs. This insurance brokerage handles auto, home, life, and business policies, but they specialize in working with policies for landlords. We also have full-service property management. We can handle all rental property advertisements, tenant placement, rent collection, evictions, maintenance, landscaping, construction, and repairs. In addition, HoltonWise also offers digital media and education. One day, when you are ready to sell your investment, HoltonWise, as the #1 seller of investment properties in the greater Cleveland area, can market your property in a video just like this one to our worldwide base of investors who are looking to capitalize on the high cash flow opportunities in the Cleveland, Ohio market. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on our latest content, including video tours and analysis of investment properties that are available for sale, real estate investment education, and our most interesting encounters with tenants from hell. HoltonWise, real estate investing made easy.